Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Chainlink's remarkable expansion in the Middle East and some other exciting updates. Chainlink Labs has made a strategic decision to establish a dedicated presence in the Middle East and North Africa or MENA region by setting up an office in Abu Dhabi Global Market or ADGM. This expansion reflects the region's growth significance as a hub for blockchain innovation. According to Angie Walker, Global Head of Banking and Capital Markets at Chainlink Labs, the MENA region is becoming a global destination for blockchain pioneers. Establishing this new base in Abu Dhabi not only strengthens Chainlink's global footprint, but also positions the company to form key partnerships better with financial market infrastructure and institutions in the region. In support of this regional expansion, ADGM's Registration Authority CEO, Ahmad Saya Al Mazroui, I hope I say his name right, welcomed Chainlink's lab presence, underscoring the region's readiness to embrace blockchain technology. Chainlink's entry into Abu Dhabi is driving the adoption of on-chain finance in a regulated and innovative environment. This move aligns perfectly with Abu Dhabi's ambition to be the capital of capital, as they say. But that's not all. In Dubai, Emirates MBD, one of the Middle East's leading banking groups, has officially welcomed Chainlink as a fifth council member of Digital Asset Lab. This announcement follows a memorandum of understanding signed during Abu Dhabi Finance Week. Chainlink joins a roster of industry leaders like PwC, Fireblocks, and R3 in advancing the lab's mission to innovate in digital finance. Emirates MBD has a proven track record in the blockchain space, with projects ranging from blockchain-based trade finance to the digital dirham experiment with the UAE Central Bank. The inclusion of Chainlink further bolsters the Digital Assets Lab capacity to develop secure and compliant tokenized asset solutions. Miguel Riartinto, Group Chief Digital and Information Officer at Emirates MBD, expressed his excitement about the partnership, emphasizing how Chainlink's expertise in cross-chain interoperability and verifiable data will propel the lab's efforts in tokenization and digital asset management. Angie Walker echoed these sentiments, calling tokenization a $100 trillion opportunity for the region. In other news, Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, or CCIP as we all know, continues to make waves. Most recently, Coinbase Project Diamond adopted the Chainlink standard as its backbone for institutional-grade tokenized asset solutions. Project Diamond is Coinbase's dedicated platform for institutional asset issuers and fund managers designed to unlock the full lifecycle of tokenized assets. Built on Coinbase-based Layer 2 blockchain, Project Diamond combines Prime Custody, Prime On-Chain Wallet, USDC, and now Chainlink CCIP to offer seamless and secure tokenized asset management. CCIP allows assets to move securely between public and private blockchains, while Chainlink functions enrich these assets with verifiable real-world data. The infrastructure not only ensures compliance with regulations, but also simplifies the process for institutions to scale tokenized assets or tokenized solutions across various ecosystems. Meanwhile, on the gaming side, Ronin, the fastest growing gaming blockchain, has integrated Chainlink CCIP to enable secure cross-chain transactions. Ronin is known for games like popular play-to-earn game Axie Infinity. Ronin validators voted to adopt CCIP in a competitive selection process, and the protocol is now live, connecting Ronin to Ethereum and Coinbase-based ecosystem. In January 2025, all legacy bridge functions on Ronin will fully transition to CCIP, further cementing Chainlink's roles in the gaming blockchain's evolution as well. These developments illustrate how Chainlink's presence in the Middle East is more than just an expansion, it's a statement. The region is becoming definitely a pivotal hub for blockchain innovation, and Chainlink is making sure that they are not just missing out and that they're everywhere where there is opportunity. It's going to be super exciting to see what other partnerships will follow out of this new settlement in the Middle East. With all these exciting partnerships and initiatives underway, Chainlink continues to prove that its technology can definitely redefine finance, gaming, and even beyond. So definitely subscribe to stay tuned for more updates as we track the incredible journey of Chainlink in the MENA region and of course in the whole world, as they will continue to push out new updates. Definitely some exciting new ones are coming out, I'm very sure, in 2025, so I'll make sure to cover those as well. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe, and yeah, have an amazing day. Cheers, bye bye.